Hello and welcome to the 20th lesson of our WordPress Beginner to Advanced course, where we are becoming job ready to start providing freelance web design services with WordPress and Elementor. And so far we have started building websites on live servers, and now in this video I'm going to show you how you can get a free domain and free hosting to start creating your sample or portfolio websites at the beginning stage. So without further ado, let me take you to the website which I'm going to use to get free domain and free hosting. So here, profreehost.com, I'm going to attach the link of this website into the video description for you for sure. And first of all, after visiting to this page, you have to click on this create account, and then let me cross this ad from here. And after that, we have to provide our email address and then a password. So let me provide my email address here, and I'm going to provide a password. And after that, I'm going to click here on this right sign. Alright, so here we have got account created on this website, but now we have to create a new hosting account inside this website. So as you can see, activate account, please activate your account first. Did not receive. Okay, so they have sent us an email on our email address that we have provided, and now we have to activate the account, and it is pretty simple. Just go to the email address which you have provided, and after that click, as you can see, account activation. Click here and you are going to find this option, activate account. Simply click on it, and here you go, your account has been activated successfully. And after that, we are just signed in on our account. And now if you just notice here, you do not have any account yet created. Create one now. So basically we have created an account for this website so far, and now we have to create a new hosting account. And here is the notification. Now it's time to click on this create new account button right here. And after that, as you can see, we are getting a free domain. If you want, you can add a custom domain, but we are talking about getting free domain and free hosting. So obviously I'm going to select this. You can select any one of these extensions like UNAUX or EZYRO.com. So I'd love to go with this one. And after that, let's keep the free domain selected, and then you have to provide the domain name right here which you are trying to get on. Let's say I want to create a website like rafi1.unaux.com. So I'm going to put my name right here, like rafi1, and just take a look, rafi1.unaux.com is available. So now we have to click on this right icon. So let me click on this button right here, and as you can see, we are getting our hosting account created. So we have to wait until it just gets stopped loading this icon. So let's just wait. Alright, so here we go. We have got the hosting account created successfully, and I had to wait around 5 minutes to get this account activated. Now we have to go for the next step. Simple. We have to click on this manage button right here, and after that we'll find all the information. As you can see, username, status which is active, then we have got this main domain name. So if I click on this rafi1.unaux.com, we are going to find a page where it is been activated. As you can see, congratulations, your account is active now. Now you can get to work, and they have got some information here for us. So we are going to come back later here, but before that, let me take you back to client area. And now we want to get or visit our control panel of this hosting, and to go for the control panel, we have to click here on this button right here, and it is going to redirect us to the control panel within like few seconds. Okay, so I'm seeing this, your connection is not secure. You don't have to worry about this stuff. So we have to simply click on this advanced button, and after that click on this proceed to cPanel. So let's click on continue, and now it is going to load. After that, you have to click on this approve button, and it is going to redirect us to the cPanel of this web page. And here we are on the control panel of the hosting, and now we'll be able to see all the options. As you can see, online file manager, directory privacy, database, domains, add-on domains, email. Then we have got so many options about security, softwares, etc. So whatever it is available on a paid hosting plan. So now it's time to go for creating our website. To create our website with WordPress, we simply have to go a little bit down until we find the software options, and from here, if you notice this one, Software Apps Installer, if we click here on this button, it is going to take us to the page where we'll find so many CMSs or the scripts available. As you can see, WordPress, Joomla, Untitled. Then we have got so many scripts which you can start creating websites with. So as we want to create a website with WordPress, obviously we have to select this one. So let's click on install from here, and WordPress is going to be appearing here. And now it's time to start creating our website. As you can see, version of WordPress, which is the latest version, and it just taken automatically. And now as you can see, we have got this website address, everything looks good, and in directory make sure it is always blank. Okay, and after that, here site settings, site name, here we have to provide a site name. So I'm going to type out here free website for practice, just as an example. This is the website with free domain and hosting. Okay, now in right after this site settings, like providing site name and site description, we have got the options to provide the admin username for the website and the password. So I'm going to provide an admin username, which is going to be Rafi, and the password is going to be an easy one. So I'm going to provide an easy password. And after that, yeah, I'd love to keep this as it is. After that, you can change your admin email address if you want, but I'd love to go with the email which I already have. Then we have got site language. So as you can see, select language, we have got English selected, but if you want, you have many more options from here which you can select from. So let's keep English as of now, and after that we can simply keep these things as they are. Now it's time to go a little bit down. I am not even going to install any theme from here. We are going to select a theme from the backend of WordPress later. So now it's time to click on this install button straightforward. So let me click here, and it is going to take, as you can see, this may take around 3 to 4 minutes to get WordPress installed on this domain name and hosting plan. So let's just wait while it is being loaded. And here we go, we have got congratulations, the software was installed successfully. Now we'll be able to access our WordPress backend from this administrative URL. If I click here, it is going to take us to the WordPress backend, from where we'll be able to upload a new theme. We'll be able to start customizing the theme to build a beautiful website for us. Just take a look, we have got this plan. So now if I visit this web page, okay, so here we have got this by default page settled already. So in this case, we have got some instruction. As you can see, following are some suggestions to build your website quickly. Delete the HTML file before uploading your website. So we have to delete this HTML file from the file manager from our control panel. So let me take you back to the C panel from here. And after that, if you just notice this option from files, we have got online file manager. Simply we have to click here. And after that, we have to go to htdocs, and then you are going to find this HTML file, index2.html. Simply right click on this file and then click on this delete button, and after that click on confirm. And now if I take you back here on this dashboard, and if I just click here on visit site, just take a look, we have got WordPress installed. Now let's say you want to change the theme and input demo content. This is pretty simple. I'm going to show you in real quick. So from the backend, if I take you to appearance from themes, if I click on themes, we are going to find few options already. Now I'm going to click on this add new theme button right here, and after that I would love to upload a theme from popular, and let's say I want to upload this let me see which one, Cadence. I'm going to click on install. you can choose whatever theme you want to install and activate. And we have got this theme installed already, so now it's time to click on this activate button. And we have got the theme already activated as well. It's time to click on this install Cadence starter template button right here. So let me click here, and it is going to install the extension which is going to help us get the starter templates. And select the builder, so where we have to select Elementor. And after that you can choose whatever template you want from this list. So let's say I want to work on this template as of now. So I have to click here, and after that I have to click on this full site button, and I have to click on start importing button right here. So it is going to check and install the required plugins. So here for this website it requires this Elementor, so it is going to download Elementor and install it, and after that it will activate the plugin for us, and then it will start importing this theme for us, and it is going to give us a beautiful looking website within few minutes. So let's just wait while it is working in the background. And just take a look, we have got finished view your site. If I click on this view button right here, you are going to see a beautiful looking website appeared right in front of our eye. Just take a look how beautiful this website is. So this was it, guys. I believe you have found this video helpful on getting a free domain, free hosting, and a beautiful website. So if you have found this video helpful, please give this video a like, share this video to help your friends, and subscribe to my channel to get more helpful videos in near future. I hope to see you in my next videos. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.